Drawing your stairs using AutoCAD 2013 academic version. In this tutorial we're going to draw a set of stairs for the activity. To begin with, we'll create a 2D sketch. We can pick any plane, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to pick the right plane here. And then we're going to start with a simple set of lines. There are multiple ways to do this, but we're going to start with a line just so we understand how sketching and drawing are affected as we do it. So here's my set of lines. I have no dimensions on them yet, so we'll add some dimensions. And we know that the total length of the set of stairs will be 10, and I have to zoom out here to find it. And then the height of the stairs will be 10 as well. So there are my first set of dimensions. Again, this can be moved from the previous tutorial. So if we want to right now, we could say that we want to lock it to the origin. So I could take this dimension from here to here, and I could say that that would be 0. And we could also then take from the origin a dimension to the end of the line, which would be here to here, and set that to 0 as well. And that would lock our set of stairs to the origin. Next we'll do a set of lines. There are 5 stairs, so we're just going to randomly do this. 1, 2, there's our first step, there's our second step, our third step, our fourth step, and finally our fifth step. We're just going to go to here on an angle, see what happens here. Okay, now we'll start dimensioning. So the first dimension, we know that the rise and the run are 2, so we'll put in a dimension of 2, and a dimension this way. I'm going to put it way over here of 2 as well. Okay, our next dimension will come up to here, it will be 2, and we'll continue down the process of adding 2's all the way down and all the way across. And you can see as we do this, the dimensions will come up. And we'll change that one to a 2, and once again this to 2. Now once we get to the end, you're going to notice, I'm just going to move this one, actually hit escape, I'm going to drag this one over. You can see we're not fully constrained, so we can drag things still. Dimension this one up to here, 2, and then finally this one will be at 2. Now we got this funny set of stairs here. So I'm going to hit escape out of the dimension, and we're going to drag this line right now because we can, it's not fully constrained. I'm actually going to put it into place, and you can see I need one more dimension to fully constrain this object. So as you add up 2, 4, 6, 8, you do not need to put this last dimension in because it is already set at 10. And here 2, 4, 6, 8, in theory we shouldn't have to add that, but what it is we're not set at 2 yet because we're not on the origin. So we're going to dimension this, and you can see that actually this is the one that's messing us up. No, it says if we do this we're going to over constrain it, so we're going to escape. So we're going to grab this one here, and we have to put this one at 2. And now you can see in the bottom right hand corner it is fully constrained, and we can finish the sketch. And we're going to zoom out, and we're going to reorientate this to home. No, that's kind of out of whack, so we're just going to change the cube around until we get the right view, or we can hold the shift key down and rotate it into position. And we're going to put it into position like that. And this will conclude drawing the stairs for your 2D sketch.